So, hello guys, once again, welcome back to a new trading week and welcome back to my trading channel, Trader Major here. Today, I want to do an analysis session on the gold pair, gold versus the US dollar pair, and what to expect during the week as we unfold with the current geopolitical status. And this is what I'm expecting for the week. So, if we look at the price action, currently we had got a break of structure, a break of market structure at this point, which was some months ago. And after price broke beyond that level, we expected higher prices. And currently we can see that it left behind a level of demand or an order block. This is a bullish order block, and we expect price to be repelled from there. And if we can look at what has been happening lately, we can notice that we had got this pool of sell-side liquidity in the form of sell stops, and it was taken out by Wednesday's candle that was last week. And also considering the fact that the tensions between Iran and US has actually toned down, and it is positive for this instrument because investors are now willing to channel their funds into the gold market. So going forth, I am expecting to see price seeking the higher levels in the form of buy side, mean that this one would be a possible draw on liquidity. And if we are able to take that level, also this swing high will be a possible draw. But it all depends on the fundamentals and the geopolitical framework of what will unfold as we go into the days. So if the current factors are kept constant and the war between US and Iran comes to a standstill, then it is good for this instrument, and we can be very confident that we are going to witness higher prices. This one would be the inception of a market maker buy model, meaning that we want to see this demand zone hold and support price as we move higher into the week. So currently my focus is on this price action here. And today we are expecting that price should continue going higher and give us a closure beyond this level. This is what I would treat as a change in state of delivery for the instrument. If a bullish change in state of delivery occurs, then I am anticipating that a possible fair value gap will be left here in the form of a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. So if price is able to give us the daily BC, then confluenced with the CISD model, we would expect something like this. It would give us a possible reaction as we come to this immediate draw. So currently, this is what I'm having in mind, and I want to see price respecting what I'm anticipating. If we look at the 4-hour time frame, we can look to see what has been happening. And currently, we have not yet confirmed the structure here because I'm expecting a bullish break here, which would validate my bias. I want to see a full candle body closure beyond this level, then a possible return to this fair value gap as we go higher. So we are currently monitoring the situation, and tomorrow will give us a more clear direction so that we can know what to do. But I am anticipating longs, which is having got a very high probability. So it just requires us to be patient as we wait for what will unfold, and we will see. So currently, just wait until a valid signature is presented in the market, here will be considered as our change in character or market structure shift. Then we will see what will unfold. So this is all for today and for the week. And remember that we only trade during volatile market hours. That is to say, during the London session, which normally happens between 2 a.m. New York time to 5 a.m. New York time, and during the New York kill zone, which happens as from 7 a.m. New York time to 10 a.m. New York time. And one thing that we must also consider to check is the weekly economic calendar. You can see that tomorrow we have some news which will be released. So if it is high impact news, we wait for it to be released, then we trade. That is the approach that one is supposed to give the market. So currently, be very keen to be able to catch those longs if a model is presented. So I'm wishing you all a great trading week and may you have a peaceful week. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and also to share as you wait for more updates like this.